Good morning, candidates. State Bank of India, Central Recruitment Promotion Department, Corporate Center, Mumbai. They have released advertisement giving HR awards and accolades received from them by them. And then they have also given this notice engagement of apprentices under the Apprentices Act. Here, online examination is in the month of October or November. Candidates can apply for one state only. They can appear for the examination only once under this engagement project. That is, if you have appeared last year, you cannot appear now. The process of registration is complete only when the fee is remitted. Here, the state, union territory, local language, tentative number of training seats are given here. The maximum number of seats are there in which state? This state, that is Rajasthan, 925 numbers. Lowest number of seats available in this state, Andaman Nicobar, 8. And another state-wise 10, Ladakh also less. Yeah, this is what it is. Please go through this list. Then, as usual, you have reservation for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, economically weaker section, etc. As it is, if there will be a written test, and if you pass in the written test, then you will be given training. Before training, you have to pass the local language test of that state. Then only you will be taken in for this one. The test examination centers are given herein. And if you want a change, they will not agree. You have to opt for it and continue to go by that one. Then people with disability, they can have a scribe to write also. But this is a post where you will be serving for a maximum of 2 years also. And then you'll be sent out. Many candidates join with the hope that they will be continued thereon, whereas there is no such scope. This is a separate one under Apprentice Act. You will be retained only for 1 or 2 years as the case may be. The stipend they are giving is 15,000 rupees per month for the engagement for a period of 1 year. Apprentices are not eligible for any other allowance. You will be given all the work excepting computer, I think so. And you will be asked to work. Your workload will be more right from morning till evening. But you can learn about bank and all that. But the 1 year or 2 year period will run, after which it will be difficult for you to write for other exams. And when you are working here, you will be very tired and you may not be able to prepare for the other exams also. The test includes general and financial awareness, 25 questions, 25 marks, 15 minutes. Same thing with general English, quantitative aptitude. The last one, reasoning and computer aptitude, 25 questions. Total 100 questions, 100 marks, 60 minutes. For each wrong answer, minus 0.25. For each correct answer, 1 mark. Based on this test, you will be selected. A waiting list also will be kept. The fees charged is 300 rupees for general, OBC and economically weaker section. Whereas SC, ST and physically handicapped, no fee. No refund of the fee will be allowed. So this is the thing. And this is the test pattern. That is general English, general financial awareness, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, etc. And in case some of the candidate wants material for this, you can remit 300 rupees to Gpay for number 90030375557 and send screenshot to WhatsApp number 90030375557. And I will send some of the important materials collected regarding this. You will have to study, prepare, and write the examination. And in case you have already appeared in IBPS, SBI examinations, then no problem. You can use that material itself. Thank you so much. Best wishes.